Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox error code 288. So here's what you're going to do. You want to open a new Chrome tab. Once you're in here, you want to go to three dots, go to settings, go to privacy and security, go to third-party cookies. Now click see all site data and permissions. Now click here, filter the page and type in Roblox. And once you find the Roblox on the list, you want to right click on it and then click delete, and it will delete the cache from the site. After you're done with that, exit out of this, go to File Explorer, go to local disk C. So this PC, local disk C. Now go to users, go to middle one. For me it's node 3. Now go to app data, local. And now scroll till you find Roblox on the list. Rockstar, and it's here, above Rockstar. Now you want to enter it. Now go to local storage, and you want to delete all three of these. Select them, and then press delete. After you've done all of that, you want to right-click on the Roblox player, right-click properties. Go to compatibility, select run this program for compatibility mode, and then select Windows 8. And you can also disable the full screen optimization and run this program as an admin. Press apply, press OK. Also, if you're playing on the Wi-Fi, make sure that your Wi-Fi is stable. Make sure that your Wi-Fi is stable. If it's like having hiccups, maybe restart your router. The best option for it, obviously, is to use Ethernet cord, and then the game should run smoothly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Roblox error code 288. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.